Hi everyone, welcome to my ISTE standard and copyright presentation. My name is Ashley and I'm going to walk you through some important facts about the standard computational thinker and why it's the most important. Please follow along with the bold print. Students develop and employ strategies for understanding and solving problems in ways that leverage the power of technological methods to develop and test solutions. So why is the standard developed with students? In classrooms, educators are charged to challenge and empower learners. Therefore, encourage students as computational thinkers can motivate and create innovative individuals. Moreover, through analyzing and evaluating strategies, students improve their learning outcomes. Additionally, using knowledge as it is being learned, applying skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity to the content knowledge increases motivation and improves learning outcomes. Problem solving and developing new strategies teaches students that there are unlimited possibilities in creating and achieving their goals. In addition, students learn that making mistakes are important for success. Lastly, computational thinkers use a growth mindset. Teaching students about the power of their mistakes ultimately encourages them to persevere as lifelong learners. And according to brain research studied by psychologist Jason Moser, when people make mistakes, a synapse fires between parts of the brain and learning occurs. It's truly fascinating what happens when you make a mistake. For our copyright portion of this presentation, I took 2 images from the internet. As you can see here, Copyright for Educators has a summary and briefly describes what is allowed and what is not allowed for education. And then in our copyright chart here, we have another list of different uses and what's permitted. I'm going to go over here and show you where I grabbed my first images. Here is the image, and then at the bottom, I took this from a Mindset Works website about growth mindset. I would have to put the copyright information under my image. And then I took the second picture of the bald eagle from Pics for Learning. It is a free site for teachers to grab any images for their classrooms. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you all learned a little something today. Thank you.